Hey guys, Ray from loveyourrv.com. So today I just have a quick update on the flooring material I used way back in 2015 when I did a renovation of our Keystone Cougar fifth wheel. I used a flooring called Infinity Luxury Woven Vinyl Flooring. Basically, I think it's like a PVC threads that they sew together. Makes it a very easy to clean, lightweight, and kind of waterproof flooring. They use them a lot in boats, and I think they also use them in OEM and some Airstream trailers. So we hated the carpeting that came with our Cougar, and within a few years it was just a mess. It was all flattened out, and we had dogs at the time. If you remember Angie the Beagle, she would lose her hair a lot, and it would get all stuck in the carpeting, and of course the smells would be in there. So this was really a good update for us. It's a couple of things: stain resistant, mold and mildew resistance, has a foam backing to act as a moisture barrier, deadens the sound, certified green, blah blah blah. So at the time I built myself a day bed, and I decided to coat the day bed with this stuff just to make it look really nice. Comes in all kinds of different fabrics and stuff like that. I'm not an affiliate for them or anything, but they did provide the product at the time for me to use, so I didn't pay for the product. What else? So there's a picture of after my renovation there that I did to the RV, and you can see I just totally got rid of any carpeting that was in the main room here, and I used the vinyl flooring in my slide, coated my day bed, also did some stairs and a little bit in the bedroom. And you can see there in the slide when I was laying it down, my custom day bed. And there's old Angie in front of it. She really liked it. It was great. She could have an accident or something. I could just get rid of that, or any of the hair would just float away. So we really loved it for that. Anyway, I thought in this video I would show you the current state of it after being in here 6 years, and we're full-time RVers, so it really gets used. There's a few places where some wear has shown, so I'll show you that. So let's get to the video. So here's a look at the covering on the day bed, and you can see it's worn really nice. Basically no signs of wear here. I used it to cover the drawer. I'm going to use this for shoe storage. And also I used it to cover where our water pump lives. Kind of had a carpeted arrangement before, so I put a lid on top, covered it with the vinyl. And uses that when she flips her chair around. She uses that little coffee table as well. So both those items are just as good as the day I did it. Let's go down to the slide here. You can see how the stuff falls nicely, and it's worked really well sliding in and out. And this is Anne's computer chair. So we have many years of that computer chair rolling around. So I'll give you a look at the wear that's taken place over that time. There is some wear. You can see here, if you get really close, it's not worn through or anything. I think it stood up actually pretty well to all that rolling around over the years. So, you know, I could have put down a plastic mat or something like that for the chair, but I really wanted to see how it would stand up to years and years of abuse, and it's done pretty well. Give you a look at what the stuff looks like underneath. You know, it's got kind of a spongy backing on it, so it provides pretty good insulation in the slide. Actually, was fairly warm this winter. Didn't have a super cold floor or anything like that. Now we'll move along to where I did the stairs, and this is where the worst of the wear has happened. And you can see right on this corner where it's starting to wear away. Just gonna zoom in there a bit, and some of the threads are starting to be exposed right on that corner. Now that can be easily solved with a piece of trim along the stairs there. The top part is fine, and of course this part is fine too. Then I also used it in our trap door. We have a trap door for the laundry basket down there into the basement. And it's worked fine. Not really any wear or anything like that on that. And I used a final piece in the bedroom here. I had a spare piece left over, so I took, this used to be all carpeted along there. This part, the carpeting, when it covered here, when I pulled the carpeting up, it didn't have the nice flooring. It actually had raw wood planking, so I covered it with this stuff as well. Let me see if I can pull it up there. You can kind of see the wood back there. So this stuff, once you lay it down, it actually lays pretty flat and doesn't go anywhere. This is what our RV had all over the place to start with. And I left it in the bedroom here because we don't really walk on it or anything. And there was a lot of weird angles I'd have to do. So it's actually worked out okay to leave the carpeting there. But anywhere that carpeting was, it went funny and flat. And also would really glom onto any hair or anything. It would get dirty and it would hold smells really badly. So there you go. That's a long-term update on the Infinity vinyl flooring. I'm quite happy with it. It cost a lot, but overall it's worked out really well for us. I'm happy that I got rid of all that carpeting in here. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Cheers, folks.